guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video guys, we are doing unboxing video. So this is what I'm going to unbox today. You probably already seen that by the title that what we're going to unbox today. So let's open this up. I'm very excited to do this. So now it's open. Let's take it out. And this is here, bad boy. Look at this. Oh my god. This looks really nice. Okay, so let's open it up. Also has a 256 gigabyte storage, iPad Pro 11-inch. So okay, so let's open the box. All right, there you go. So I think I'll just pull this. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to open it. The design of this iPad Pro is actually the same as the iPhone X. So there's no home buttons. So it's just all screen. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, that looks really nice. Should I turn it on? By the way, this comes with a instruction. I think that's instruction. It comes with a charger, the cord, and it's USB-C cord, so it's not the normal iPhone cord. Interesting. Okay, so let's turn it on and see what it's like. So it's on. I'm so excited to use it. Hello iPad Pro. Oh, look at that. That is really nice. That looks really smart. And it already has a 80% battery, so I can probably use it and then wait until it runs out of battery before I charge it. This looks really nice. It's amazing! It's amazing! Wow! Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. But before I end this video, I just want to say that this video is not a bragging or anything like that. So it's just fun opening a new iPad Pro. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!